Good day. I used Copilot CLI to create Visual Studio Code extension that can help to improve accessibility. So, for example, we have this page with our challenge. We can run accessibility test that use Xcore, and we can see some issues with violations. I find it more helpful if we do something with our local development. So, for example, here is my personal blog, and if I want to check some pages, let me run it locally. We can see that here is my blog. I can also open it here in the browser. And for example, I think there is maybe some issues with my about page. So I just put about page here, run accessibility test. And as I can see in the HTML, there is one violation. I can read it, or I can just copy location of this file report, and I can say to Copilot, fix accessibility issue and check report. So the full extension was planned in Copilot CLI. It was coded by Copilot CLI. I really enjoyed the fast experience that I got without any extra info, only what I need. So we can see it go to HTML and change from H3 to H2. Let me agree to this change and let me run again accessibility test. And now we have 0 violations. So here is how it works, and thank you for opportunity to try GitHub Copilot CLI.